HSK Grammar, HSK 二级 How to say big numbers in Chinese. Single digit numbers are, in Chinese, 0、1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9. These are single digits. After these single digits, based on the Arabic number system, the base digits or base places are 十、百、千. In Chinese, we have another one called 万, meaning 10,000. Then it is not million, but we have 亿, meaning 万. So in Chinese, we have one more base digit, which is called 万. 万 meaning 10,000. So it is one more than Western number system. Western number system continuously from 十、百、千. That's it. Then you jump for every thousand. So next one would be million, which is 1,000 times 1,000. Billion would be 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000. And the trillion is times another 1,000. But Chinese has different system. It called 1. You can even say it's a 1 system. So you can see a E, which is a 1 times 1. Basically, it is 10,000 times 10,000. So when you call a E, you can also say it's 1,000,000. E is 1,000,000. So Western number system uses 10,000 as a base digit for big numbers, and a million would be a 10 times 10. And in Chinese system, we just talked about that. A million would be, if you convert that to 1, that would be 101. So we would say it is 百万. Instead of saying 千千, we say it's 百万. So we call a millionaire which has at least $1 million or 1 million pounds, we would say 百万富翁. On the other hand, Chinese number yi, which is 万万 or 10,000 times 10,000, is a number 1 here, number 1, with 8 zeros after that. So you can say, convert that to Western system, it is 100 million or 0.1 billion. How do you know that? Just remember the different systems have different counting of zeros. This is the rule. 1,000 has 3 zeros, a million has 6, and a trillion has 9 zeros. And in Chinese, 1 has 4 zeros, yi has 8 zeros, 1 yi has 12 zeros. So you just need to know how to count how many zeros or digits. So second topic, how to say big numbers in Chinese? Well, based on Chinese number system, you have to convert a big number as much as possible to the highest base digit. Basically, you have to count to first as yi, then 万, then 千, 百, 十. So if we have this number 3524, then highest is 1,000. So this is as Western style. So this is 3524. But if you have 4 digits, like this one, so a quick way to say it, to recognize this number is count from right to left every 4 digits. So then you add a comma. So in Western style, you count every 3 digits and add a comma. Now you add 4 digits. So then you would say 6万. 万 That's first one. 3524. So let's do another one. So this number is very big. Doesn't matter. You just count from right to left. Every 4 digits. Then you can say it is 123,4567. A huge one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same rule. Count every 4 digits and you find you need 2 commas. So 2 commas. The first comma from right is 1. Next one would be 1, which is 1. So this number is 12345 because this comma meaning 1. Then you just say 6789. So from this you can see you count to 1 first, then you count to 1. So when you saw the first comma, you just say it is 1. And when you saw the second comma, it is 1. We also have some rules or conventions when we say big numbers. Let's see some of them. First one, convention 1, number 1. When you have more than 1 0 in a number all together, like this one, 41003. So if you want to say first add a comma, this is a 1. If you want to say 41003, no, that's not right. It is not following convention. The convention is if you have more than 1 0 together, just say once. So 41003. Don't say 41003. Second one, similar rule. You add a comma, this is a 1. Then you would say 8001. Don't say 800001. No, 8001. It is similar to Western style. So Western convention, when you say this one, you would say 80,001. You don't say 80,001. No, don't say that. So Chinese, we have to add a 0, but only 1 0 here. Don't say more. Second convention is not that so strict, but it is a convention most people would follow. So basically saying, when first 2 characters in a number happen to be a 10 digit, for example, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1 is often dropped. So we would say, instead of saying 14, we say 14. We say 14. And next one, add a comma here. This is a 1. We would say 14,7563. We don't say 14,000,000. So we don't say 1. We drop the 1. We say 14,000,000. Assuming China, we have 135,000,000 people. So I have to count that. So we have 2 dots. So the first dot is 1. The next, I'm sorry, not dot. The first comma is 1. The next comma is 亿. So you would say 13,500,000 人. Chinese, assuming we have 13,500,000 人. We don't say China has 13,500,000. No, that's not the convention. People don't say that. Okay, convention 3. Remember, number 2 can be pronounced as either 2 or 2. So this is interesting. We always use 2 before a 10, before a 10, or in single digit, we always use 二, but you can use 二 or 两 both, either one, before 千万亿. For example, 312 we would say 312. 二 is in the last digit. We don't say 312, that's not right. Next one, 321 we would say 321. We never say 321, we don't say that. But if this one is not 10th digit or single digit, we would say 234. Or people would say 234. And this one in 1. This is 2050 or 2050. Both are okay. And the bigger one, like this one. So, comma and comma, this would be 2亿4000万 or 2亿4000万. So that was the topic of Chinese big numbers. How do you say that? Thank you.